Installation Magento 2 with CloudWays. Let's learn how to quickly install Magento 2 with CloudWays service. So I'm gonna launch my browser, okay, and I'm gonna go to CloudWays. And if you follow me, please create an account here, get started for free, and you will also receive some benefits. You will probably able to use their spatial, which will allow you to use web server for a couple of days for free, so you can test them this way. So I'm gonna click platform because I'm already a customer, and I'm gonna log in with my credentials. Okay, here is interface. It's very simple, and actually it forwards you on the page where we could start from. So I'm gonna select Magento in scope of applications. I'm gonna select version 2. Okay, I'm gonna call it Magento, and I'm gonna repeat server name as Magento as well. And select your project is something that you will need to create, but simply type as the name of your project or your business. So the next point is we need to select where we are going to host our Magento, and I prefer DigitalOcean, so I will leave this option. The next thing is hardware configuration. Basically, if you are eligible for free trial period, then they will probably offer you just 1 GB of RAM. But according to my experience, Magento need at least 2 GB. So I will select 2 GB of RAM here, and of course price is a little bit higher, but that's something that needed to run Magento smoothly. But of course, if you just want to install it and see whether it works or how it works, you could stay with 1 GB. Location, I'm gonna select Frankfurt because I'm located in Europe, and practically that's all. We are ready to go. I'm gonna click launch now, and here is installation process, and according to forecast it will take around 7 minutes. So let's wait for some time. Installation is completed now, looks fine. So let's try to open our installed Magento and let's see how it works. So here is an IP address of web server from what I see, and we have some details here. Manage service, for example, not here. Okay, actually it's all related about the web server. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to open Magento to see how it works. Let's click here, and let's try to open a website application URL. Every time when you load Magento first time, it create cache, and load may take a little bit more than expected. So that's fine. Okay, everything looks good here. Okay, let's try to log in with our credentials to dashboard of Magento 2. Okay, here's username, and copy it. Okay, everything looks fine. So we have newly installed Magento on the web server, which is located with DigitalOcean, but service provided by CloudWays. So the next thing that we are going to cover is how to point a real domain name to this new Magento installation or to this web server. This will be covered in the next lesson. So thanks for watching this one, and see you in the next lesson.